Hey guys, so today I have a new type of video I'm doing, a clean and organize. So it's so fun putting this video together, so please comment below and show some love. And if you like these types of videos, I'll do more. Make sure you follow me on IG. I started doing IG lives on Saturdays and you guys are loving it, so keep up with me so you can catch my next one. Comment below if you've joined my IG before and let everyone know how much fun they are. So today I'm going to start out with this room. So this room is actually part filming room and part Kamsi's room. And if we have a full house, it's a guest room. So last night I finished doing laundry, so this morning I'm just sorting, folding, and putting all the clothes away. So I always wash Kamsi's clothes with mine, so I don't waste water and soap on just little baby clothes that don't fill up the washer. So my sister and I love these kids' Tales Pjs from Amazon. They have cute patterns and they're much better quality than the Carters, and they have convertible cuffs for the arms and the feet. They're so cute. So today I decided to bring out a storage bin and pack away all the newborn to 3-month clothes that Kamsi doesn't fit anymore. He'll be 5 months on February 21st, and he's wearing 9 months clothes now. He's growing so fast. So Kamsi is finishing the size 3 Huggies diapers that we have. We do the Huggies Snug and Dry, so we can move on to size 4. So the Huggies Snug and Dry is actually my favorite diaper so far. So I got these organizers from Amazon and they're perfect. I'll link them down below. They help keep all the clothes organized in their place. And Kamsi's clothes are small, so I don't hang any of his clothes. Everything is just in the drawers. So I added Velcro to the bottom of the change pad to keep it from sliding around. Kamsi's twisting and turning and wiggling around now, so I really wanted to make sure the diaper changing area was safe as possible. This changing table is actually just a regular dresser from Ikea, and I just use it as a changing table. I'll link it where I got it on Ikea down below. So this is the lotion that I shared on my IG live and on my last video talking about my mom's skincare line, their lotion that I use on Kamsi. It's very moisturizing, it's all natural, all organic, vegan, and it's very safe for babies. All nice and neat. Perfect. I ordered this beautiful headboard from Walmart.com. I'll link it below. It looks like high-end with the gold studs, but it's so cheap. Headboards are usually expensive, so I'm glad that I was able to find this really good one on Walmart.com. So all the bedding on this bed I got from TJ Maxx. I love the variety that they have, and their inventory changes so often, so every week you go in there, there's something always new and cute. All done. Off to the second bedroom. So we just had friends over last night that came into town. So today I'm just stripping the bedding for laundry. We actually keep a lot of our clothes in the closet in this room because it's so big. So I have my wig stash in there, we have clothes in there, I have my lights in there. This is my dress mannequin where I make my fur trim glam robes I sell on my site. I have two of mine that I hang on here, but when I have clients that I'm finishing up before I send out, I like to hang it on here to look at it, make sure it's perfect, take some pictures, and then it's ready to go. So this headboard is also from Walmart.com. I love it. Looks high-end, nice and neat, perfect colorway, but it's not expensive at all. And then the bedding is also from TJ Maxx. Alright, this room is stripped and ready to go. Off to the master bedroom. So our bedroom set is actually from Value City. Value City has very good quality and really good priced furniture. Make sure you check them out. Alright, so Kamsi actually had a little mishap yesterday. He threw up all over the bed last night, so I had to wash the sheets. So you saw on the mattress on the last room and on this bed, I have mattress protectors. So when we moved in, we decided to put mattress protectors on all the mattresses because when you have a baby, you never know if there's going to be spills, spit-ups, and explosions. So I wanted to protect all the mattresses and be prepared. Cam, he's just watching me and then watching his little cartoons on the TV. So he's my little helper for today. My little side table organization where I just keep everything I need for baby at arm's reach. Diapers, wipes, hand sanitizers, everything. Kamsi loves sitting with me at my makeup table. There's so much to look at and so much going on, so he's thoroughly entertained every time. is how the room looks, nice and clean. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like the video, comment below, and share it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!